The AstroAI 4-liter mini fridge is the perfect compact fridge to keep your belongings cool or warm. This fridge is designed to store everything from drinks and snacks to medicine or skincare products, making it convenient for whatever you put in your personal stash. It might be small on the outside, but it impressively stores up to 6 12-ounce soda cans, ensuring you'll always have a cool drink within arm's reach. The removable shelf is perfect for organizing moistures, creams, and masks, so everything is chilled for your routine. With 2 ways to plug in your mini fridge, it's perfect to use in the car on road trips or at your office cubicle. Its eco-friendly engineering is free and works so quietly you'll hardly notice it. The cool-to-warm technology not only cools down to 32 degrees, but also warms up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. A built-in handle makes it easier to bring your mini fridge anywhere to keep you going on all of life's adventures. AstroAI 9-liter mini fridge is a perfect companion for your office, home, or vehicle. Its 9-liter size easily fits 20-ounce bottles or a dozen 12-ounce cans. The removable shelf makes it easy to customize for a variety of uses. Conveniently organized snacks, cosmetics, baby formula, or medications. Use it as a skincare fridge to keep masks, lotions, and creams fresh and ready to go. 2 temperature modes cool down to 32 degrees or warm up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your items are kept reliably cool or warm. The fridge takes up very little space, fitting right on your nightstand or desk. Enjoy a snack or cold drink without venturing all the way to the kitchen, or keep your lunch secure from hungry coworkers. 2 included plugs guarantee compatibility with wall outlets and your vehicle's cigarette lighter for use on the go. The AstroAI 9-liter mini fridge is an indispensable tool to keep you going on all of life's adventures. The AstroAI 10-liter mini fridge is the perfect companion for your office, home, or vehicle. This fridge is designed to store everything from drinks and snacks to medicine, baby formula, or skincare products. You'll be amazed by the abundance of storage options, including side baskets and 2 removable shelves that snap into place. Its 10-liter size easily fits 20-ounce bottles, milk cartons, or up to 16 12-ounce cans. A flexible temperature range from 36 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to enjoy cool drinks in summer and hot coffee in winter. Its tempered glass panel is scratch resistant, stain resistant, and easy to wipe. No one likes water building up in their mini fridge, so we've included a catch to keep water away from your personal products. With 2 ways to plug in your mini fridge, it's as perfect to use in the car on road trips as it is in your hotel or office. The AstroAI 10-liter mini fridge sets possibilities in motion to keep you going on all of life's adventures.